Winter has started. There's ice flowers on the windows. It's freezing, and it's time to get the workshop closed in. Little thing that I didn't really count on is that I can't find the sheet material I was looking for. They don't have it in stock like locally, so I have to order that. But this week I mostly worked on the framing of the workshop, and I think I got quite a bit done. I think I handled most of the beams like 5 or 6 times before they were all perfect. I have to measure a lot and then cut out a little bit again and measure again. I work with all the beams that I just found around the property. They're never the same dimensions. That's not a big problem. It's just more measuring work. To have the main beams sitting on the beams of the brick parts, I made a router template and routed out a part of the old beams of the brick parts to make a flat surface. This way everything sits a lot better. I built this thing to collect some leaves yesterday, and it's a little bit small. Got a lot of leaves around the property, so I'm gonna make that a little bit bigger. Fortunately, I had a little bit of this mesh wire extra, and I just doubled it so I can put an extra pole here somewhere to make it a little bit bigger. See if this will do. More work on the beams. I placed a cross beam in the middle to make everything more sturdy. I'm gonna reinforce everything. Next morning we woke up pretty early. We try to do our morning coffee every morning outside at this beautiful spot. We had an appointment at both the bank, and we could pick up our ID cards. So that was a day mostly driving, and picking up the ID cards is like 1.5 hours away. The bank is like 45 minutes. So yeah, like I said, mostly driving. But we got a lot done. We actually stopped at IKEA as well to pick up some storage shelving. That's for in the house. And yeah, although it was a bit of a dreary day, driving in Sweden is beautiful. So yeah, I never really mind that. It just takes a whole day if you have appointments like that. So there's no work in the workshop for me then. But yeah, enough great days. So I got a lot done this week. Yeah. Also picked up an extension cord, which I made into a new cord for my saw. A couple of videos ago I said I built something that I can probably break down again. That's this part here and the stairs going this way. This is not going to work with the new floor that I'm making here, or the new ceiling actually. So yeah, here we go. And I found an old axe head, and I turned that into a wood splitter to make firewood. It kind of worked. I still have to fine tune it a little bit, but yeah, it's better than just using an axe. Then again, working on the workshop. More structural beams going in. And on Thursday, I made a trip to a local building supply, and they didn't have the sheet material, but they did have some beams, so I can finish the whole ceiling construction. It's quite a lot of beams. The whole camper van was mostly filled to the brim. But yeah, now I've got enough to finish everything. So I framed this and I got all of this wood, and that one is a bit thin, so I've got some plywood here, and I'm gonna make some strips to thicken this up, and I'm probably gonna make some strips on the other beams as well, just so I can lay the other beams on top of it, because it works a lot quicker. And that's about it for this week. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.